Hello mga bossing, tayo ay alam na anong gagawin natin kundi magluluto. Hapon na ako'y magluluto lang ng kamote coated with the sugar. Oh my god, sa English though. Yeah, it's we're Canadian Oh my god, so very simple. Just cut the sweet potato with like a size of fries. Ay, ang hirap mag-English. So, kumuha lang ako ng brown sugar. In-spread ko to sa ating kamote. Dahil maraming kamote na ngayon sa Marilake. And then, after that, naman tayo ng oil. And then, put the sugar again. And then, yung sweet potato na. And then, yan lang natin mag-coated to sa ating sweet potato. That's simple. Hintay lang natin tong maluto. And that's all. Hintay lang maluto. Wala na. Hintay lang tong mag-crispy. So, yun lang gusto ko kasi crispy. So, nagdagdag ulit ako ng sugar sa ating kamote. Then after that, wait for a couple of minutes and then done. Meron tayong merienda for today's video, mga bossing. At ito na ang finished product with sweet potato with coated of sugar. Boom, diabetes. Kain, enjoy guys. Bye-bye.